Okay, so in this episode of Gav Details, we are working on the lovely Miss Adrienne's CRV. It's going to get a full decontamination, light polish, and C-quartz from CarPro. I've kind of coached her through vehicle washing and exterior maintenance. So I just cleaned the driver's side rear wheel and tire. She's been doing it on her own using some Brake Buster and assorted brushes. So we have Brake Buster in the IK Foam 9, and we have some Optimum Power Clean that we will use to degrease the tires. So now that she's been doing it on her own and seen me do one, I'll have her clean the next. So first things first, we're going to apply the Power Clean to the tire. We're going to give it about 30 seconds to just kind of loosen up any dirt and debris, and then we're going to grab the Tough Shine brush and scrub the tire.
In the bucket?
Yep. Soapy water.
And there the bubbles.
Are you satisfied?
Yeah.
Okay. And back in the bucket. Face and then inside the barrel, and don't like soak your brake rotor.
Okay, just lightly, but full coverage.
Right. So lug nuts first. Wooden brush.
Face too.
You can, but I would do the barrel with the other brush. Starting from the top.
Yes.
Yeah. Ground there, you can see how dirty the foam is coming from the brake buster and the brake dust inside the barrel of the wheel. And now a homemade mitt to be used on the finger or the hand to get the face of the wheels, and then of course behind the spokes, because we all know that there is a bunch of brake dust buildup that doesn't see much cleaning unless you have such a utensil. So one thing I did, maybe she wasn't paying attention. What kind of a student is this here? So you can also clean your inside of the wheel well jam here and your plastics. Alright, so as you can see, the wheel is clean. The tires are degreased and we'll be ready to accept the dressing likely Saturday afternoon or Sunday morning. So that is one rear wheel cleaned by Adrienne. Not bad. Okay, so all of the wheels are clean and we are now moving on to the washing portion. We have already hit the vehicle with Iron X, which there wasn't really a lot of iron deposits. Foamed it with Honeydew snow foam. Went around with the bug sponge on the bumper and the Detail Factory brush around all of the trim and emblems. So the reason why the vehicle is here is because it had a quote-unquote dealer applied coating and the water just kind of pools on the surface. So as you can see, now that we're zoomed in, water just sits on the surface here. So that's why it's here, and it's going to get fixed. So again, just by some conversations on how to wash top to bottom, we're going to be using the Chemical Guys Clean Slate because I'm trying to use it up as a strip wash from top to bottom. So we'll see how our previous conversations will result. Okay, so the roof and the windshield are washed and rinsed, and then we have the passenger side, top to middle section pre-treated with the Honeydew snow foam. Again, a product that we're just gonna burn up. So Adrienne is gonna demonstrate how it's done. Wherever you want. Rinse bucket. So, using the rinse bucket and squeezing out the dirty rinse water.
Do I do the plastic portion?
I would wait on that. I would do your passenger side of the hood and the passenger side of the hood, your headlight lens, and then like that upper section of the bumper. Yeah. So as you'll notice, once she does a section, she flips the mitt, uses the second side, and then we return back to the rinse bucket. So since the lower section of the car just has plastic covers or panels, there will be a separate wash mitt used for the very lowest section of the vehicle on both sides of the bumpers, and then we'll make sure to hit little honeycomb grills on the front of the vehicle. Once it's rinsed, it will be lightly clayed with nanoskin glide and a nanoskin handy towel, and then it'll be dried and the polishing will begin, followed by an application of sea quartz, and I'm not sure if we're using Wolf's or Next Zet on the glass. Maybe we'll let the lady choose which one she'd like. Alright, so the vehicle has now been clayed and rinsed and dried and is now going to be backed into the garage for the polishing to start. So, a little bit different type of video today. Having a student of mine, if you will, show the skills. I'll give her a passing grade. Did you decide on what window coating you want? Next Zet or Wolf's?
Whatever's best.
They both work the same. You gotta pick one.
Which one does Barney have?
Barney, I don't know. Barney hasn't been coated in a while. The truck has Wolf's.
Okay, we'll go for it.
Alright, so we're doing Wolf's on the CRV. I made a video about that. If you'd like, I'll link it above. So, for a... I'm not even sure what to call this video. This is a wash with Gav video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And for more detailing videos, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks.